Hello and welcome students to the section 8 website pen testing scanning websites. In this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we will learn about Acunetix web vulnerability scanner, then Burp Suite, then Zap proxy tool, and then finally how you can generate and analyze a report. Acunetix web vulnerability scanner. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can install Acunetix web vulnerability scanner and then how we can scan a website inside Acunetix. So that we are going to learn in this video. So first of all, open google.com and you can download Acunetix web vulnerability scanner for your Windows operating system. You can perform this practical on your Windows 10 virtual machine. So guys, we are here at Google, and on Google you can type here download Acunetix and hit enter. So this is the official website of Acunetix. Click here, open this website, download Acunetix from the official website. So you can see here that this is the download button here. So you can click here. So it is saying that download Acunetix 14-day trial. Basically, you can download the trial version of Acunetix for 14 days. So that's fine. You need to fill this form and click download. So they'll provide you the link. So you can let me type my name, last name, company name, your mobile number. You can provide any mobile number, doesn't matter. And your email address. So you can provide your email address and click download. So it is saying thank you for requesting download. Thanks for requesting. You will receive an email shortly. So the email you have provided in that form, you can open that email and check if you got any email from Acunetix company or not. So let me open my email ID. So I got a mail from Acunetix. Here it is. Let me zoom it for you. So thank you for download your Acunetix 14-day trial from here, right? Okay, so let me click here and it's saying download trial edition. So let me click. Your Acunetix download should start shortly. So this is 64.5 MB file. So click save file, and this file will download inside your operating system, and then you can install it inside your machine. So guys, the exe download is complete, and you can click here and you can click run to run this file inside your Windows operating system. Click yes and click next, accept the agreement. To access Acunetix interface, you need an administrative user account. So you can provide your email address here first of all. So let me type my email address and the password you want to use. Right? Click next. So password has to be minimum 8 characters containing at least 3 of the following: one number, one small and one capital letter, and one special character. So you need to change your password. Small letters, capital letters, numbers and special characters as well. Let me change my password. Alright, click next. It will work on this port number. Hit next. Create a desktop shortcut. Click next and install it inside your system. It will install inside your Windows operating system and will leave a shortcut on your desktop that you can use to start the Acunetix directly. So this is just a trial version for 16 days. You can use it, and if you like it, you can purchase the professional version of Acunetix for your company. This is just a security warning to install the certificate. So you can click on yes to install the certificate inside your interface. So guys, installation is complete now, and now you can click on finish to finish the installation. I hope it will open up an interface. So it is open localhost 113443 port. It is saying your connection is not secure, so you can click advanced, come down, add exception, confirm security exception, and it will open up as like this. Let me close everything. Provide your email address and password that you have set in Acunetix. So let me type my email address as password, and the password you have set. Alright, click login, don't save, and here it is. You are on the Acunetix. Now how you can scan a website using Acunetix, let me show you. So you can see here that add target button is here. So first of all, click here, add target, and here you can provide the website name. For example, website name is http://www.vulnerweb.com. So that's how you can provide the website name, the URL there. Click add target. Right. Now you can click on scan. What kind of scan you need? Full scan, or high risk only you need to scan high risk vulnerabilities, or only cross-site scripting, or only SQL injection. So if, for example, if I click on full scan, report, what kind of report you need? For example, I need developer report only, and I want to do it instantly. You can also schedule it for future scan. For instantly, click create scan. So here you can see that it is showing me that the threat level is low right now, and it has processed almost 50%. Now it is showing me that there is a high vulnerability inside this website, because that website is a sample website provided by Acunetix, vulnerweb.com. So that's why we are testing it. You can also test it. So you can see here that this is the address of the website, vulnerweb.com. The server they are using Nginx, and these all are the latest alerts available in the website. So you just need to wait for the completion for 100%, and then you can generate your report as well. So that's how you can scan a website inside Acunetix Web Vulnerability Scanner. That's all about the installation procedure of Acunetix and how you can scan a website inside Acunetix Web Vulnerability Scanner. In the next video, guys, I'm going to show you that how you can use Burp Suite Community Edition to scan a website. Thank you.